Frankie Fox follows instructions by our very own Mrs. Fisher. Frankie Fox follows instructions when he arrives at school. See how he just goes on his line? Mrs. Elephant will be Frankie Fox's teacher this year. Frankie Fox is excited to learn a lot about reading, math, and so much more. Following instructions is very important. Step 1, look at the person. Step 2, say okay. Step 3, do what you have been asked right away. And step 4, check back. Mrs. Elephant teaches the students about how to follow instructions. Frankie Fox's teacher taught him how to follow instructions right away. He knows there's more time for fun later if he follows the teacher's instructions right away. We followed instructions. Now it is time to play. Kind of reminds me of our habit. First work, then play. Now it is time for reading. That means it is almost time to move down to the carpet and get ready for the story. What should Frankie Fox do? First, he's going to look at the teacher and use his listening ears. Then he's going to wait for the instructions. Mrs. Elephant asks class, please come down to the carpet. Frankie Fox says, okay. So the teacher knows he was listening. Frankie Fox moves down to the carpet right away and he sits crisscross applesauce. This shows his teacher he is ready to learn. Once his teacher comes to the carpet, Frankie Fox checks in with his teacher to make sure he followed instructions. Mrs. Elephant told Frankie Fox that he did a great job at listening to the instructions, saying okay, and then doing it right away. Frankie Fox works hard to follow instructions every day. Let's talk about the story. All right, did Frankie Fox follow instructions? What did he do to follow instructions? He said, okay, and he did it right away. All right, make it a great day. Remember, following instructions is very important because then you can get your work done faster.